Hello, good morning everyone. Happy New Year, Happy 2025 po sa ating lahat. Okay, for this year, we are so glad no, na nalagpasan natin ang mga challenges ng 2024. And now, I am changing career from an office boy to a farm boy. Okay, so as you can see guys, behind me are my agarwood seedlings. So I have a total of around 800 agarwood seedlings now. Okay, yan po. So I hope this 2025 brings us prosperity, peace, and best of health for everyone. So masaya tayo dito sa ginagawa natin ngayon. Okay, yan. So tanim-tanim for the future. Okay, yan.